Hi guys, it's David, and I want to bring you guys another cryptocurrency video. Today we're going to talk about the whole cryptocurrency market and a new project, a layer 2 solution called Arbitrum, and why I'm excited about it and why I think there might be a potential airdrop to make you big dollars. Not financial advice, but let's get into it. All right, guys, it's David. I'm back with another cryptocurrency video. It's been a little crazy in the household, but you know what? We're back at it. We are getting content for the viewers. So I appreciate all my Augustines holding strong through the crypto markets. It's been a wild ride with the government. It's been a wild ride with everything that's going on in crypto. It's been bearish, but we're getting some hopes in the market recently. So I wouldn't say that we're a full on bull market by any means, but I do like to see some bullishness with Bitcoin. You know, the last 7 days up 10%, Ethereum up 4.6. Okay. XRP up 10%. A lot of different things pumping, right? Now, we will see some pullbacks. So remember that the best strategy is always to dollar cost average in, to buy a little at a time, so you don't break all your bank at once. And, you know, right now, the strategy for me is accumulate as much as possible. So, you know, whether you have to work, whether you have a business, whether you have to grind, do what you got to do to make more income so that you can dollar cost average in on your favorite assets. Some of my favorite assets would be Ethereum. I actually like crypto.com. So CRO. My favorite one would be Hex. So if you look at Hex, it's not even on the top 10, unfortunately, but because it's all manipulated and don't really show the real numbers. But if you look at Hex, you know, over the last year, we're down 86% still. I still think there's a lot of potential. I still think that if we get to all-time highs again, we're all going to be laughing. And Richard Hart's building Pulse Chain, which I know it's been in the works for a long time, but I really do feel like he's going to deliver. That would be a duplication of Ethereum, and it's the first kind of I would say it's its own blockchain, but it's similar to a layer two in which, you know, the whole purpose is to save on gas fees. Okay. But the reason why Pulse Chain is very unique and different is the fact that it's similar to a layer two solution, but you're actually going to get duplicate tokens for you, done for you. And that's going to cause, in my opinion, not financial advice, a massive stir in the whole cryptocurrency market. You'll then have duplicate hex. You'll then have duplicate ERC based tokens in your wallet. So people are going to be scrambling, figuring out what's the real value here, what's the value of these new NFTs that they get duplicated. You know, Bored Ape Yacht Clubs are going to be duplicated. All these massive NFT projects are either going to have zero value or extreme value with the duplication. So it's going to be a little confusing. I really do have high hopes that Pulse Chain is going to do extremely well. But today I want to talk to you guys about the market in general. I do like to see this upside. I think that maybe by end of the year we can go actual really bullish, but I think it's still a stepping stone and you still got to be careful. So I'm just dollar cost averaging into Hex, dollar cost averaging into Ethereum, dollar cost averaging into Crow on all the assets that I like. I'm not going to disclose them all. And yeah, just buy a little at a time, keep grinding, make more money, stay broke, and then dollar cost averaging your favorite assets. All right. So that's what I'm doing. And for Hex, I'm staking as well. If you guys don't know what that is, check out my other videos on Hex and how to buy Hex, how to stake it, etc. So there's a cool project I found out about recently called Arbitrum. Okay, so it's a layer two solution, and they have all kinds of things going on here. And there's even people building on that side of the blockchain as well, where, for example, this new Eno token, I'm not here to shill Eno tokens, but this one is growing some popularity. It's called Arbinu. So the first dog coin on Arbitrum. Okay, so did I get a little bag? I got a tiny bag just in case it blows up. Where's it at? It's doing it's pumped quite a bit actually, but maybe I bought a little high, but whatever. Always invest what you can afford to lose, guys. But it's cool because new tokens are building on this chain, this layer two solution. So obviously there's some hype around it. Now, if you go to Arbitrum's Twitter, so let's see, 455,000 followers. Okay, so a lot of hype, a lot of excitement on this layer two. And I was actually testing on the back end a little bit, creating adding the network to my wallet, and the fees are just ridiculous. I did a transaction with like a few cents instead of on Ethereum, it would cost you several dollars, if not, 10, 20, $30, depending on how busy the network is, right? So, a trade for, pennies on the dollar, crazy, insanity. And that's what I'd like to see from Pulse Chain as well. The fact that it really costs us nothing, but the value's still there. So if USD on Arbitrum has value, wouldn't USD on Pulse Chain have value? That's what I'm thinking. But Arbitrum's building all kinds of stuff, or built all kinds of stuff. So they have dApps, okay, and yeah, they're secure scaling for Ethereum. So you can explore live dApps, bridge into Arbitrum, or check out the block explorer. When you bridge, it's pretty cool. You just connect your wallet, and then you can bridge as much as you want over. And then there's a little bit of a process. I did it earlier, so I can't really show you now, but it takes like 11 minutes or something to bridge it over, and then your funds are there in the other network. So Arbitrum one is called, right? So there's dev documents as well, which you can check out, information, the white paper, etc. Right? And everything is really, really, really well done. Okay. So I'm not gonna read the white paper for you guys, but I do like what is going on. Now, the whole point in me getting in this ecosystem is a lot of people are saying that something similar to Uniswap could happen, or some of these other tokens. Whereas if you get in early and start checking out what Arbitrum is doing, it's possible when they're ready to deploy an airdrop, as a thank you for people that are experimenting and testing Arbitrum, then you might be on the list. So if you actually transacting here, you're actually building here, you're actually trading on their ecosystem, on their network, then who knows? We might get handsomely rewarded. I actually did pick up one of these NFTs. It's called Arbitrum Odyssey NFT, and there were about $20 here to buy one. So I did pick one up just in case, maybe NFT holders will get an additional bit of Arbitrum when they release their token or airdrop their token, if they even do so. Okay. So I just thought it was an interesting project, and they have a lot of different things that you can do on it. Okay, there's the founders as well. So you can see they're showing their face and everything. So definitely look a little bit more into Arbitrum if you're looking at new layer two solutions that might be of value. We already know that Matic Polygon is a huge one, and that blew up seemingly overnight, but it's been around for a while. So a lot of opportunity here, I think, in Arbitrum. But that's just me. All crypto can go to nothing, so never financial advice. But yeah, I'm extremely excited about what's to come in the crypto markets. I think it's still early. I can't really say that we're bullish right now, but I can say that there's some bullish momentum, and I'm excited about that. Yeah, I'm excited about that. Now, let's take a quick look at Trading View. Okay. So I like to see Trading View, and I use this tool called Lux Algo. And Lux Algo gives me algorithms and tells me if there's a bullish signal or a bearish signal in the market. So right now we are strong bullish momentum on Bitcoin on the hourly chart. Let's go to the daily chart. We're remaining bullish right now. Okay. So that's a good sign for the crypto markets. Now we might see another pullback similar to here, right? Similar to here, but I like the way that things are going. If you guys want to take advantage of Lux Algo, a tool like this, I'll have the links down below with the best discounts so that you guys can also track utilize the algorithm to dollar cost average into your assets. Or if you decide to do some trading, that's completely up to you. Then you can use that for stocks, crypto, and forex. And it's called Lux Algo. Like I said, I'll include the links down below if you guys want to take advantage of that. It does help out the channel. So that's all for today's video, guys. I am bullish on what's happening in the market. I think it's still some time before we actually go crazy because you're not seeing crypto on the news. You're not seeing it everywhere. You're not seeing everyone at work and your family asking about crypto right now who are still scared. So I think we're not in the bull market yet, but we got plenty of time before we get there. So do the research now. Look up projects like Arbitrum and things coming out, different layer solutions and different tokens so that you can get on the cheap when they release, or can get airdrops, etc., so that you can be ready for the bull market so we can all get rich. All right. So this is David. I appreciate you guys watching today's videos. And yeah, I think by the end of the year, we might go bullish. It might be as late as early next year. But, fingers crossed. Let's get it. In the meantime, work hard. Work hard on your body. Work hard on your mind. Work hard on your finances. Spend your time with your loved ones, and make sure you spend some time for yourself for personal development. Until next time, stay bullish, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.